Today we're going to be doing a blonde shadow root on a client with dark hair and bleached ends. Our client probably had her hair bleached a year ago and it's grown out since then, and now she's back in the salon and she wants you to fix her hair. In order to prepare our client's hair for the shadow root, we're going to be doing some back combing. The reason we're doing this is it allows us to avoid any visible line of demarcation between the shadow root area and the highlighted area. We're working with Ugly Duckling Brilliant Blonde Bleach, and we're using 20 vol in a 1:2 mix, and we go ahead and apply. We really saturate the product onto the hair because we want to get that lift on that dark hair, but at the same time we're a little bit careful on those ends because they've already been bleached. So you can see we fold that bit back to make sure it doesn't come in contact with the rest of the hair before we fold up our foils. And here's what it looks like when it's all been done. You obviously start at the back and you work your way right the way around in a very consistent way. And people often ask us, how long should we leave the bleach in the hair? Well, the answer is there's no fixed processing time for bleach. You've got to watch, you've got to check, you've got to pull out a foil or two and then rinse when you've reached the right level. And as you can see, it looks pretty nice. It's been lifted to a very nice level, 9.5. The hair integrity has been maintained, it's soft, it feels good, and it's ready for coloring. People sometimes think that they can use any beauty store bleach and get the same results, and unfortunately that just isn't true. Here we used an Ugly Duckling Bleach, Brilliant Blonde. We only needed 20 vol developer, and you can see that the lift we got is really quite remarkable. Okay, for the shadow root we're using Ugly Duckling 5.11 and 5N, which will give us a very nice ashy brown shadow root, and we mix that with 10 volume developer in a ratio of 1:1 and get a nice creamy mix. For the toning, we're going to be using Ugly Duckling 10V Pearl Blonde Toner mixed with Silver Grey, and we're going to be using 10 vol developer. And Ugly Duckling toners are pretty fast working, as we know, and within a few minutes you will start to see visible results, and you will see the hair start to go ash blonde. And here's a final result. You can see it's a very beautiful, natural looking shadow root blonde, which will look very nice on any girl with dark skin. It will grow out naturally, so she won't have to come back to the salon again for 5 or 6 months at least. And hopefully she'll be extremely happy with this look. And when she is ready for a new color, she will come back to your salon for more. Thank you.